All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. My brother, my sister, this is another strong one. The return of Sunday Igboho. Agitators call for the actualization of Yoruba Nation. Right now, we have seen everything that is happening in the country, the hardship, and the rest of them. And before now, which was not even up to this. The hardship was not even up to this. The Yoruba Nation agitator came out. They were of the opinion that we need to actualize Yoruba Nation. They were of the opinion that Yoruba Nation needs to be actualized. Now, thank God, Chief Sunday Igboho is out. And then for you that must have been following the trend, you understand and they must have heard. Chief Sunday Igboho made it clear that, according to Chief Sunday Igboho, I quote, "I am back again. No going back on Yoruba Nation." Right now, everybody has been jubilating that Chief Sunday Igboho has now reunited with his family, which is a very great deal. That's exactly what we've been praying for. Though some set of people out there are not happy with what is going on. They are not happy because they have not seen it all. That the return of this Chief Sunday Igboho is going to affect them. Definitely, it's going to affect some people, but to the glory of God, the true Yoruba Nation agitators are going to benefit from this. A lot of things will play out in a positive way. Well, the people have made it clear. Yoruba la fẹ́, orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá ló jẹ wá lógún. We need Yoruba Nation. We cry for it, which is very important. And they have made it clear that it is very important. We get it. Because this country we are in, like men looking and then trying to check on how the name Nigeria sounds in Yoruba land, Nigeria. According to what has reached us, that we make clear that Nigeria, if you want to bring out the sound, it means Kenyan Nigeria. Kenyan make person they wake up, they see sufferness. Baba God, now your hand with it. Say Nigeria, ojoojúmọ́ Nigeria. No wonder the people are seeing sufferness. No wonder àwọn èèyàn yẹn wọ́n ń jí, wọ́n ń rí ìyà. Ọlọ́run ní ṣe tiwa bẹ́ẹ̀. All right, and then meanwhile, the people have made it clear with all the atrocities that have happened in the country. There's been kidnap, stealing, fraud. In fact, according to what had been gathered, the country, we are seeing it all, has caused a lot of people sorrow. The leaders are not helping issue at all. These leaders, they embezzle money with everything that is going. Selfishness. All they think about is themselves. They don't even want others to even be at the top. That's why you see a lot of people out there. When they see that you are going to rise, they try to bring you down. Too bad. That's the kind of country we have found ourselves. To the extent, the same country, Nigeria, has frustrated a lot of people. Everyone is experiencing one problem or the other. Even the people in diaspora, on a very good day, they wouldn't have said they are going to diaspora. But simply because the country they found themselves did not favor them. That's why you see a lot of them doing all sorts of menial jobs out there in that country, which is not helping issue. Majority of them will tell you that, they are always inside cold. Not that they are happy with it, but what can they do? That's so serious. Now, to eat for a lot of family people, it's a problem. The suffering is too much. People facing one problem or the other. To the extent many companies are even folding. A lot of companies are folding simply because of the economic condition of that same country, Nigeria. Yes, now the people are like, since all these things are happening, they are kidnapping our people, killing our people. Is it not better we go our separate ways? Is it not better we stand out? At least when we go our separate ways, when we are separated, we can be able to do exploits. Well, according to what I've been gathering, a lot of people are still going against it. That now I want to go in our separate ways. Do you think you can survive it? Do you think it's easy to get a nation? And then right now, the Yoruba nation agitators have made it clear. Don't mind them, oh. It's all lies. We can stand out and then nothing will happen. Yes, Yoruba land is where Nigeria survive. A lot of things have been researched. Many resources from Yoruba land are being used by Nigerians. Make mention of Dangote market, all these things, cement. When you go to Abeokuta, you see a lot of things being done. When they call it Abeokuta, all those granite. Abeokuta is in southwest of Nigeria. A lot of foods are coming from southwest Nigeria. No wonder when you try to say you want to plant some, vegetables, crops, and all that, the land is so fertile. When they talk about fertile land, the land is green, land is green, now Yoruba land though. So anyone is telling you the Yoruba people cannot stand out. My brother, my sister, you should know that they are just trying to deceive you. No wonder the Northerners came out some time ago. They were like, no, we cannot allow these people to go because they already know that if they allow these people to go on their own, if they allow them to leave, they will suffer. That's exactly what it is. Come to look at it. Check all the rocks we have in Yoruba land. From this rock, we can make sand, can make granite, and a lot of things. That's exactly what we are talking about. Somebody even made it clear that Ọlọ́run ti kẹ́ wa náà, ó wá kù sí wa lọ́wọ́ kí a sọjí. And then somebody even made it clear that don't forget this same battery that they are using to generate light. You can find it in Yoruba land. And then that now reminds me, there was this time one video came out of a young boy from Ekiti that he used stone to power light, electricity. I don't know if you actually watched that. He used stone to power light. This was found in Ekiti State. And then where is Ekiti State? Still the same southwestern part of Nigeria. So who is that person that is saying the Yoruba people cannot stand out? Who is that man that is saying Yoruba cannot stand out? Go to Abeokuta, a lot of resources are there, Ibadan. And then as far as Nigeria is concerned, Yoruba land has a lot of water. Like God bless them with water. That's why you see the Okun, Omi Oshun, the Osa, and the rest of them still in Yoruba land. Well, it had been made clear. It's better we go our separate ways. Yoruba can never suffer. Yes, so and then the people are still of the opinion that Baba Tinubu, try wherever you are. Remember Homo. Now that you are the president, make sure you do the needful for the Yoruba land because Ile Labos Semioko. Well, according to what had been gathered, it made it clear that if we try to stand out, that if the Yoruba people can be allowed to go on their own, if they can be allowed to go their separate ways, just give them 3 years. Just 3 years, then you will see the difference. You will think you are abroad. And exactly what we're actually talking about. Onto this matter, I think with what can actually make it work is the sincerity that will come with it. That's exactly what it is. Because even Nigeria itself, the way the country is, it's because we have a lot of mixed people, a lot of nation in one country. Different countries in one country. That's the problem we have. A situation, a country whereby, you call it a nation, but you don't understand yourselves. By the time this one speaks his language, we don't understand. This one speaks his language, you don't understand. That can never be a nation. That is why everybody needs to go their separate ways. For a nation to stand out, they must speak one language, which will take them to the next level. Well, as it stands, it has been made clear. Let us be vigilant, and then let us remain and then be focused on getting Yoruba Nation actualized, because they already know that if we get this Yoruba Nation actualized, we will be better than them, and then they will suffer. That is why they don't want the Yoruba people to go their separate ways. But why won't the Yoruba people go their separate ways, since there's been trouble all along? There is trouble in the land. Kidnapped have been the order of the day. Killings have been the order of the day. No food, no good road, no water, no light. Hunger everywhere. How do you want these people to cope? And then all these resources are coming out from this same Yoruba land. The people have now woken up. We need to go our separate ways for a better people, for a better nation. All right, my brother, my sister, Yoruba nation not going back, exactly what it is. Onto this majority of things had actually been said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this one hand. Remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.